Now we are going to see the plot overview of the short story written by Saki. Hector Hugh Munro writes under the pseudonym of Saki. In this short story, we have only 3 characters, 2 young women and 1 elderly uncle. Susan and Eleanor are the names of 2 young women. Susan has one rich old relative, Bertram Knight. He is actually the distant cousin of her mother. He has come to England from Argentine. In this short story, we find Susan going to have her birthday very soon. She wishes to get a costly gift from that rich old uncle. She could have asked him a 36 shilling worth Dresden figure, but she does not want to miss the costlier gift from him. So, Susan plans with her friend Eleanor to get a costly gift from that uncle. Eleanor questions the possibility of getting expensive gift from the wealthy people because wealthy people do not spend money on expensive gifts often. Susan too agrees with that, but she does not want to get a fan because usually she receives a fan only as her birthday gift. She wishes to get silver fox fur as her birthday gift from her old relative Bertram Knight. So Eleanor herself suggests one plan to meet him accidentally at the street corner and sidetrack him into the shop to the fur department. There, Eleanor should tell that she wishes to buy some hairnet and then ask Susan what she wanted for her birthday. That will lead to her talking about the birthday present. Susan too appreciates Eleanor for this plan. Now these 2 young women became fur trappers because these 2 women planned to make that rich man present silver fox fur to Susan. The next day, it was a fine afternoon. They are very sure that the fair weather will tempt the old man to go for a leisurely walk. When they wait for his arrival, Eleanor asks for a favor from Susan. As she has to meet Harry Scarisbrooke, she asks Susan to do her role in the play with Adela and the aunts. But Susan bluntly rejects her request, saying, "It bores me." Eleanor got very angry and planned what to do further with Susan's plan. So then only that Mr. Bertram Knight arrives there. He was led to the fur department in the crowded mart, but Susan had left unusually far behind. Using this opportunity, Eleanor begins her story. Susan's birthday comes on next Wednesday and my birthday comes the day before. We are going to exchange birthday gifts. As she goes to a lot of dances, a fan is always useful for her. She gets nice gifts usually, but I usually get trifle gifts like my relatives are not well off. So she spinned her own story, saying that 2 years ago, my maternal uncle promised me to gift me a silver fox stole for my birthday. But his wife's sudden death made him return to abroad at once. So I couldn't get my fur. So whenever I see silver fox pelt in a shop window, I burst into tears. Eleanor suggested him to buy one nice fan for Susan and then she left the place. And then searching Eleanor and that old Bertram Knight, Susan returns asking for Bertram. Eleanor says, "I got separated from him long ago," and she pretends as if their plan failed. She blames Susan for not grabbing him by the arm. Then a few days later, Susan called Eleanor over phone to thank her for the photograph frame gift. Actually, this Eleanor has gifted her photograph frame. For that, Susan called her to thank her for that photograph frame gift. Then she expressed her disappointment over Bertram's gift. "He has gifted me only that wretched fan," she has commented. But for this, Eleanor replies, "Do you know what your wealthy uncle has gifted me?" Susan asked, "Gifted you? Why should he gift you?" "Oh, is that the reason for which he asked your address?" She understood that. So from then onwards, the cloud arises between the friendship of these two women. But for Eleanor, it has a silver fox lining. That means Susan understood that Eleanor has played something on her life, and she has got a silver fox stole for herself. She has played something, and from that time onwards, the rift between these two people arose. But Eleanor got benefit out of it. She has got one silver fox stole. So that's why it is given. Even though their friendship ended in enmity, Eleanor got benefited. She has got silver fox stole from that Bertram knight.